Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today is Wednesday, August 28, 2024. And today I'm just going to talk about Nvidia. There's not a lot of other stuff going on in the markets this week. I mean, some other economic stuff that we touched upon on Monday's video. But today, is after the close, Nvidia is going to report their earnings. So I want to review some of the stuff and maybe point out a few things about the whole report and about NVIDIA. So first of all, NVIDIA is going to impact the rest of the market. I mean, as we all know, NVIDIA has been the big driver of the U.S. stock market for about the last year and a half, if not longer. They have, dominated in terms of performance of their stock. Their business has been very good, very profitable, and so it's going to have a big impact on the rest of the market in the near term. And to kind of evidence of that, it is now the second largest company of the S&P 500 at 6.7%, Apple 6.9, Nvidia 6.7%. So it's going to have an impact. It's also 14% of the semiconductor index, which is also has other tech companies in there. So it's going to be, a big influence on both the S&P and the semiconductor index, which also influences other parts of the stock market. I think it's important, as I've said before, I think previously, is that the rate of change and the growth and acceleration of growth are going to be the important things here of both revenues and earnings and margins. So the revenue estimate is 28.4 billion for this quarterly reporting. For the full fiscal year, the estimates are for 118 billion. Last quarter, Nvidia's earnings were 61 cents per share. This quarter, the estimates for 64 cents per share. And in the trailing 12 months, the actual earnings per share is $1.71, which then puts the PE ratio at 75 times, which is incredibly, expensive. But again, the markets accepted that in return for the growth and the dominance of the market and Nvidia's ability to transform and adapt to different market demands and like that. So it's it'll have an influence in the overnight market tonight, and then tomorrow's market. Obviously, there are some other interesting, I think, reports coming out tomorrow. Lululemon's after the close. I think that's an important one for retail. And then on Friday, the PCE index. So we'll be back on Friday. Thank you for listening. Talk to you then. Goodbye.